welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy Jayne, this is my channel IdleGirl, and today I am going to be doing a stamping, I guess it's like a stamping haul slash kind of my collection. I haven't only just received these, but I've been waiting until I had enough to make a video, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you what I've got. Now I don't have a lot in any way, like I don't have loads of stuff, but I just wanted to show you what I've got. I'm wanting to do a lot more stamping, and I thought this would be a good video to do before I start doing videos on me doing the stamping. So if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please do hit the subscribe button because I would love for you to join my squad. I'm uploading 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 5 PM, and there's going to be lots of nail stuff, makeup stuff, all sorts of stuff, but there will be at least probably 2 nail videos every week, and then we'll see what else comes about. So I'm going to get straight into this. Now the first thing I'm going to show you, I just thought I would add this to it. Now this isn't exactly stamping, I think this is more stenciling. Now I got this off of Amazon. A lot of what I've got here is off of Amazon, and I'll just get them out to show you. I'm not like entirely sure how to use these, but they're basically like kind of little stickers, and you basically like, you peel it off and it has like, those stickers stay on this plastic, and then that you can use to stencil. So you would like stencil your pen or your nail varnish or whatever, but I think you can also use the middle bits as stickers as well. So it's quite cool, and there's loads and loads of designs here. Like, so many. I can't remember how much these were, but they weren't expensive, and literally if you just type in nail stencils into Amazon, you will find all sorts of things come up. So I just thought I'd whack that in here because I didn't have really another video to show you it, if that makes sense, and I wanted to just show y'all. So that's that. Now let's get into the actual stamping stuffs. So I don't have that much. I'm going to show you these first because I got these from Nails, and these are Christmas ones. I think these are the only ones I got. I think I got 3. So this one I tried using around Christmas time. Wow, you can actually see quite well. And it didn't go very well. It really didn't go very well at all. I tried using regular nail polish and it just wasn't happening. I didn't get the hang of it, and I don't know if it's the polish or the stamper, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So these are the other 2 designs that I've got. Is this Christmas as well? Were they all Christmas? I can't remember. Oh yeah. Yeah. Because I did get them literally like the beginning of December or something, and the plan was to do some Christmas nails with them, but I just couldn't get the hang of it. So that's what those 2 look like. Now this is the stamper. This is the set that it came with. Now, so many people have said to me, do not use a metal stamper. I don't know if you can, a metal scraper, I don't know if you can see there, but on the end it's metal. And a lot of people were like, don't use a metal scraper, it'll ruin your stamping plate and all of that. And then this is the actual stamper itself. Now, I have to admit, I'm not impressed with this little set at all. I would not advise you to get this. I think you can, I got it from Nail, but I think you can get this little set all over the place, but I definitely would not advise this particular one. So, I'll show you what I got from Nail, I'll show you what I got from Amazon. Now, I'm not sure if the whole reason why the stamping wasn't working is because of the nail varnish, or because of these, because they weren't very good. I'll be honest. You know I'm honest with you guys. So, let me show you the new stampers that I've got that came. This all came in one little kit that I'm going to show you now. So this all came in one little kit from Amazon, and this is the nail stampers that came. So let me get them out and show you. I'm like, these are a lot better. So to cut a long story short, on maybe not, I have used these, but I didn't use nail varnish, so I don't know which it is. So I'm going to try these out with a nail varnish, but I'll explain that to you in a minute. So this is the stamper that you get. Now I will just say, I don't know if you can see that there, but this was very, very loose, so I just used some nail glue. I just used some nail glue just to stick it in, and it has worked. It was just coming out, it was like pulling off. Oh, it's still pulling off a bit, but hopefully it stuck. If it hasn't, if this didn't work, I'm going to try either super glue or acrylic to try and get it to stick. But if I don't pull it, it might be stuck on now. But just so you know, these jelly things are really, really loose. You can either push it all the way down or pull it straight off. Like, it's when you stamp, sometimes it falls off. So I'm just hoping that it's going to be alright now. So these come with a plastic scraper, which is what everybody says you should use, and it works really well. I tried this out yesterday and it worked really, really well. And the good thing about this, I mean, not now because I've just put my skin all over it, but when it's clean, you can see straight through it. So you can see your stamping plate, you can see exactly what you're picking up, and you can also see exactly where you're placing it on the nail. It's so good. I would definitely advise, if you're wanting to get into stamping, to go for a clear stamper, because it 100% so much easier, definitely. Also, these are a different material. This is jelly. This is like much more jellified. And then this is more hard plastic. I think I might be able to use nail varnish with these and be alright. Obviously, a lot of people say you're supposed to use proper stamping polish, which I don't have any stamping polish. But when I tried normal nail varnish, it wasn't working with that. But maybe it will work with this. So I will let you know. There's going to be videos coming up. Definitely some stamping videos. Probably like my first trying of stamping, and then like just different designs and stuff where I will be doing stamping. So I'll just quickly show you this other one here, if I can get it out. So this is just slightly different, a slightly different shape, I guess, but that's what it looks like. Still clear, and this one's probably good for going like that, if you know what I mean. I did the same thing with this. This was also very loose. I actually don't think it's stuck down, guys. I think I'm probably going to have to figure something else out, but it's still fine. And this kit was really cheap, I think. I think it was definitely really affordable. I'll try and find it on Amazon, and I'll link it on my website, because I've got a page on my website for my Amazon picks. It's basically all the things that I'm loving from Amazon. So you guys can literally just go on there and be like, oh yeah, that looks pretty good, and get it, whatever. But yeah, again, it comes with another one of these and just a different shape. Same idea, see-through, so you can see exactly what you're stamping, and yeah, I just think these are really great. So I will now show you the actual stamping plates that came with this kit. Oh, and there's quite a few. So it came with two rectangular shaped ones. So it came with these two. As you can see, I've used this one. Now when you get them, they come with a blue tape on. You have to peel the blue tape off. Trust me guys, it might sound really obvious to some people, but I tried stamping with a blue tape on originally. Like, that's how stupid I am. So just so you know, you do have to peel the blue tape off. And I think it's more difficult because it's very hard to get off. So you kind of think, am I supposed to take this off or not? But yeah, just a quick heads up there. You are supposed to take the blue tape off. So these are all they're quite sort of your regular kind of thing. There's a lot of flowers, flowery butterfly type things on there. And then we've got, what else do we have? So I've got this one that's like more random patterns. So you would literally just overlay the whole nail with one of these patterns. This one's pretty. It's all quite like kind of samey, like flowery and swirly kind of patterns. Look at the roses, how nice. Seriously, love it. Super, super pretty. So I know you can't really see them that well, but I feel like if I get it in the right there, that's a bit better. So you can actually see there. So we've got like some little stars, some different swirls. Some of them are like literally you would just pick out a flower or a heart or whatever. And then others, like this one where it's like a pattern and you would just take the whole of that pattern and put it over the whole nail, if that makes sense. You can do whatever you want. This one's all really, really tiny little... It's so hard to show you it. Tiny little, I think we've got like square stars and all sorts on that one. Ooh, this one's got love hearts on, so this one might be getting used quite soon, so for like Valentine's stuff. And then a couple more love hearts. This one's definitely going to be getting used. Those love hearts there somehow are going to be going on some kind of nail, I'm telling you. And just a few more flowers on this one. So yeah, all of this, these two, and then the stamping plates that I've just shown you all came in a kit from Amazon. check Amazon out. It's got loads of stuff. It's really, really good. So the final thing I'm going to show you is actually something that I already had, that I've had for years and years and never opened, but I used it yesterday and it works really, really well. So I have got myself some acrylic paints. Yes, these are literally just a regular artist acrylic paints. I used them to try stamping yesterday and it worked. So I used the acrylic paints with these jelly stampers and it worked. It literally actually worked. So I don't think I'm even going to bother getting any stamping polish. I'm just going to use these. I have had a look on Amazon and you can get a pack similar to this one for about £10, which I think is really good quality. I'm pretty sure you would not get anywhere near that in stamping polish. I think for stamping polish, you'd be looking at maybe you might get like 3 or 4 polishes for £10. I think they're probably about £4 or £5 each for like most brands. So I don't quote me on that, but that's just what I'm thinking. So I'm going to be doing more stamping and I definitely think acrylic paint is a really good idea. I think it's probably more affordable and I think it worked really, really well. So I'm going to test some more stuff out and see how it all goes. But this is all I've got so far. I'm going to be getting more. I'll probably try each time there's something like, I might try to get some Halloween ones for Halloween. Do you know what I mean? Each time like some wintry ones, some summery ones, some springy ones, I'm going to get them as we go along and then build my collection up like that. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. It was quite a small little haul slash collection kind of video, I guess. I do hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you're excited to see some stamping videos, which I'm excited to do because I feel like you can get such good designs quite easily by doing stamping. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you so, so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!